You may feel down and feel like God has somehow forgotten that you are faced with circumstances that you can't get through. Say right now it seems that there's no way out and you're going under. God's proven time and time again He'll fix it for you, and He'll do it again for you. He'll do it again. Yes, He will do it again. Just take a look at where you are now, just where you've been. Well, haven't He always come through for you? He's the same now as then. Don't you know God has not changed? You may not know how, you may not know when, but He'll do it again. God, yes, He's still God, and He's fighting for you. Just like Daniel, just like Moses, just like Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. He'll do it again. He'll do it again. He'll do it again. Yes, He will do it again. Oh, just take a look at where you are now and just where you've been. Well, haven't He always come through for you? He's the same now as then. Don't you know God has not changed? You may not know how, you may not know when, but He'll do it again. I'll try it for myself. Yeah. Do it again. Looking out on the morning rain, I used to feel so uninspired. But when I knew I had to face another day, Lord, it makes me feel so tired. Before the day I met you, life was so unkind, but you're the key to my peace of mind. And you make me feel, you make me feel, you make me feel like a natural woman, woman. Oh, baby, what you done to me? What you done to me? You make me feel so good inside. Good inside. And I just wanna be close to you. You make me feel so alive. You make me feel, you make me feel, you make me feel like a natural woman, woman. Yeah, you make me feel like you make me feel like a natural woman. Yeah, you make me feel, yeah, baby, you make me feel like a natural woman, Say a little bit for you. The moment I woke up, before I put on my makeup, I say a little bit for you. While combing my hair now, I'm wondering what dress to wear now. I say a little bit for you. Forever, ever. And I will love you forever, ever. How I love you together, together. To live without you, there's no leaving heartbreak for me. I'll run for the bus, dear, but while think of us this, I'll say a little prayer for you. Working at playtime and all through my coffee break time, I say a little prayer for you. Forever, ever, and how I love you. Forever, ever, how I love you. Together, ever. How it must be to live without you. There's no leaving heartbreak for me. Oh yeah, you stay in my heart. Stay in my heart. Forever, ever. How I love you. Together, yeah. How it must be to live without you. There's no leaving heartbreak for me. He's leaving me for you. Who said that? Who told you that it's true? What is he telling you? Could it be the same things that he told me? He told me that he loved Dolly, me. I heard that. He told me I was beautiful. How did you know? How did you know? 'Cause I played that scene before. This is the retake of my life. I was his star for many nights. Now the road has changed, and you're the leading lady in his life. Lights, camera, now you're on. Just remember you've been born. Enjoy it now, 'cause it won't last. Same script, different cast. It's your fault you didn't love him enough. That's the problem. I loved him too much, and when you love him, he becomes unattracted to you. Oh no, he's changing now. Prove you wrong. So go away, leave us the hell alone. He loves me and hurts you. He'll stay with me, leave you for sure, for sure. This is a retake of my life. I was his star for many nights. Now the roads have changed. Now the roads have changed. Same script, different cast. What goes around comes back around. Hey, my baby. What goes around comes back around. Hey, my baby. What goes around comes back around. Hey, my baby. What goes around comes back around. There was a time I thought that you did everything right. No lies, no wrong. Boy, I must have been out of my mind. So when I think of the time that I almost loved you, you'd show your face, and now I saw the real you. Thank God you blew it. I thank God I tried to pull it. I'm so over you, baby, good looking now. I wanted you bad, I'm so through with that. 'Cause honestly, you turn out to be the best thing I never. Oh, you turn out to be the best thing I never. And I know I'll always be the best thing you never had. Baby, it sucks to be you right now. I know you want me back. It's time to face the fact that I'm the one that's got away. Lord, know that it would take another place, another time, another world, another life. I thank God I find the good in the bad. You used to want me so bad, yeah. So through See, you turn out to be the best thing I never. Oh, you turn out to be the best thing I never. Best thing I never had.
Hi there, I'm Simon Preston from TVJ. Thank you very much for watching our YouTube channel. To see our latest videos and also to see live events, click here. To see our full videos on onespotmedia.com, click here. Thank you very much for watching.